Running a business is hard, but it's not hard for the reasons that you guys may think. Most people try to grow their business through sheer motivation and discipline, but both of those resources are like a phone battery. Every hard decision, every late night will drain energy from it until it hits zero. That's why I stopped relying on these two resources and I built the company which I later sold for millions on systems. Because a system doesn't care how you feel or how much work you have to do. The only thing that it cares about is producing the same result every single time. Now, building real business systems used to take a team of 5 to 10 people to do all the work, but Claude Code has changed that. Now you can actually build systems just by describing what you want. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 4 Claude systems that save me over 11 hours every single week and make sure that nothing breaks, even if I'm too busy. But rather than do what every other video on this topic has done, I'm going to first give you guys an insight that makes or breaks whether this works. Because the last thing you want are 4 so-called systems that are just nice to have and don't actually produce the result that you're looking for. You see, everyone talks about using Claude Code to automate their business, but just a few actually understand the importance of context. Imagine you hired the smartest person that you've ever met, someone who knows every single business framework, has studied thousands of companies, and can write and strategize at a super elite level. And then on his first days, you give him absolutely zero context, no information about your clients, examples of your best work, just surface level information about your business. You'll get some results, but they'll be far from what you actually want them to be. And this is something that better promptings just can't fix. The truth is that even though Claude Code has almost all the knowledge in the world, it doesn't have the specific knowledge about you. It doesn't know your brand voice, doesn't know your client information, doesn't know your processes or what things that you've done before. So before you build any of the systems, you need to pull together what I called a context pack. This pack has 3 things with the basic information that you should give Claude Code. First, a collection of your best work. In this file, you should put all the deliverables that will show Claude Code what a good job actually looks like. If your business runs ads, give Claude Code the best performing ads of the last 6 months. Or if your business works with marketing campaigns like mine does, add the campaigns that made the clients the most money. Then you need to make sure that Claude knows the steps to produce those assets. Add a file with all the documentation that you have about your processes. Things like your SOPs, your trainings, your checklists, or your video transcripts of doing the work. Doesn't matter if it's something basic. Everything should have a process that Claude can go ahead and reference. Then, to help understand your brand and your tone, add content that you've created and that performed well. This could be newsletters, YouTube scripts, or LinkedIn posts. If you don't have any content, it could be transcripts from sales calls and meetings. Once you have your context pack inside Claude Code, you can start building the 4 systems that I'm about to show you. Now, some of you watching will already be making money online and have a business of some sort that's already producing some revenue. So these systems are directly relevant to you and you can go ahead and implement them to save yourself time. But if you're not already making money just yet, or you're just getting into business and getting it off the ground, then you can still utilize these systems. It will just take a little bit longer to actually see them produce some form of ROI. Now let's get into the first one. So the first system is probably the most important because without it, none of the other ones actually matter. You see, when you have a couple of clients, you can focus on doing a good job for them while still trying to get more clients. But as you start getting more and more clients, your workload begins to take more hours of your day. And at some point, you're not going to have the time to keep doing outreach. And even if you do, it's probably not going to be the same quality as before. In my company, for example, every new prospect that I wanted to reach out to required hours of work before a single message was sent because we focus on personalized outreach. So we had to research their brand, content, and past campaigns. And after I finished the research, I had to build a pitch deck with a strategy, prep presentation and brief, and then record a loom. And when I had the time to do this properly, it was exhausting. But it's something that I had to keep on doing if I wanted to keep growing the business. Because not doing outreach doesn't affect how much you make this month. It affects the next month and the month after that. Every week that you don't send outreach is a missed opportunity to grow your business and pipeline by 10 to 20% every single month. So I built a system that helps me do this faster and keeps me more consistent. And every time I want to reach out to a new prospect, I drop their information to Claude Code and it writes a 20-day outreach sequence in my tone of voice. So I don't have to worry about how to start the conversation or what to say next. It also creates a pitch deck based on the business gaps and a brief that I can use to record a 5-minute loom. So now I can reach 10 times more prospects in 1 week without losing quality. Here's how to set it up. So the first thing I want to do is open Claude and use this prompt. I'm building a client acquisition system. I'll give you my business context, website copy, winning proposals, best outreach messages, pitch decks I created, and a loom transcript of me pitching. I'll also give you information about each prospect that I want to target. Write me an outreach workflow with 20 messages in my voice, a pitch deck presentation inside Gamma AI, and a brief structure that I could follow to record a 5-minute video going through the pitch deck. Before you run the prompt, make sure that you feed it all of your business data pack first. Then for each new prospect, drop in their details like their website, some of their content, and other information about the business and the person you're pitching to. Most people will stop here though, and honestly, you can still get good results if you leave it like this. But to get the best results, every every single time you close a deal, feed AI the messages, the pitch deck, and the video transcript into the system. So the next time you run this system to get a new client, the output will keep on getting better. Now, this next system is probably the most underrated in this entire video, and it's honestly something that I didn't think about until I realized how much time I was wasting. I need you to picture two businesses. The first one has absolutely everything documented. So when a new contractor or employee starts, they only need to read something for a few minutes and they can start doing everything at the quality your clients expect. The second business has nothing written down. So when a new contractor or employee starts, it costs days of teaching processes, revisions, and missing deadlines. That's why you need to create SOPs for every single process that you have. An SOP is basically a step-by-step guide to produce something. Think of them as the maps that your team will follow to get to the result that you want. But if they don't have that map, some will get lost and some will take longer to get there. And even the ones that make it will not end up where you actually want them to. I've had situations at my company where I spent the first 2 weeks with just a new hire, just re-explaining processes. And that's time that I should be spending on making my business grow, not training someone from scratch every single day. But now, when a process changes or when we refine how we do something, the SOPs are created and updated automatically. So nobody has to sit down and write them, and everything is always up to date for any new person who joins a team. That's my automatic SOP system, and here's how to build it. First, add whatever process files that you have. It doesn't matter if they're incomplete or messy because they'll be updated and improved over time. Then I want you to open Claude Code and use the following prompt. I'm building a living SOP library. I'll give you my existing process documents and I want you to turn these into formatted SOPs. When I drop in new recordings or documents, update or create the relevant SOP automatically. Each SOP should include the process name, the owner, the step-by-step breakdown, and a link to resources and key decision points. Update these files after each session based on the steps that I followed so the SOPs are always up to date. Now, to make sure you don't have to update everything manually, just make sure that you do your work inside the same Claude space. This way, it receives new information while you execute on your normal tasks. And after some days, you have a complete operational playbook for every single new team member. Now, without this next system, most business owners would do 5 times more work and still make less money. You see, content is one of the key parts of any business. You could have the best business in the world and the best product, but if nobody knows about it, no one is going to buy from you. And it's also one of the best ways to get high quality clients, because someone who's followed your content for months is not going to be skeptical about working with you. I've had clients that tell me they've been watching my content on LinkedIn and YouTube for months before they even reached out. And those conversations are completely different from when I do cold outreach. I don't need to convince them of anything because they were already convinced to buy before sending the first message. That's what consistent content builds over time. But the problem is that most businesses aren't posting as much as they should. They may post one YouTube video, say, every month, but they're not posting on the other platforms. And a lot of people would think that posting on every single platform means that you'd have to come up with hundreds of ideas. But the problem isn't the idea. The problem is the production time. You can't afford to spend hours on every single platform every single week when you're also managing delivery, clients, and outreach. But here's the good news. You don't need to create new pieces of content every single day. One YouTube script can become 2 newsletters, 2 Instagram carousels, and 15 short form scripts. This system takes one piece of content and turns it into 2 weeks of content for every other channel in under 30 minutes. This way, you can make sure you're getting the most out of every idea that you have. Here's how to build the system. First, make sure you have examples of your content so the output sounds like you. Then, just type this prompt into Claude. I'm building a content repurposing system. I'll give you examples of my best performing short form videos, my newsletters, and my carousels. When I give you a YouTube transcript, newsletter, podcast, repurpose it into 15 short form video transcripts, 2 newsletters, 2 carousel outlines with 15 slides each, and create the design for each carousel and create a PDF that I can upload to LinkedIn. And like with every other system, once you have something that performs well, add it to the example files. This way, the system learns the things that resonate with your audience and makes better content. Now, this final system helped me with something that I didn't even notice was taking me so long. Most businesses don't have a growth problem. They have a leaking problem. If you're signing 1 client a week but losing 2, you will never scale, because when you lose a client, you're not only losing monthly revenue, you're losing a good case study, reputation, and referrals that those clients could give you. Now, clients almost always leave for the same reason. They stop seeing clear progress and start feeling they're not priority. I learned this the hard way early on. I was too focused on bringing on new brands, and I stopped showing my existing clients the results that they were getting. We were producing good results, but we just weren't presenting them in a way that made the value obvious to our clients. And those clients ended up leaving after some months. That's when I built a monthly review process where I show every single client a clear picture of exactly what's happening. I'll show them what the data says and explain to them the plan for the next month. And that made all the difference in how much time our clients stayed on. And doing this manually across every client every month is one of the most time-consuming things in the business. It's a way of protecting revenue, not producing it. And that's exactly why most people people don't even think of doing this. But now Claude Code can do it for you. First, collect all the information that Claude needs. Add a few past client messages, examples of past monthly reports, and call transcripts from strategy calls. Then add the performance data for this month so Claude can compare them. Use this prompt to set up. I'm building a monthly client review system. I'll give you examples of my past client emails and presentation reports so you can learn my format. Each month I'll drop in call transcripts, performance data, and client feedback. With this information, you will create a complete review of what worked and what didn't, a comparison against previous months, a strategic recommendation for next month, and a presentation based on all of this that I can go ahead and show to the client. Once all that's in, Claude will create a full review document that you can show to your clients. This way, they will clearly see the impact of your business and want to keep working with you. So now, most of the hard parts of running your business can be automated, but there's one thing that Claude just can't automate: your decisions. And it's probably the hardest thing about running a business, because one wrong call could bring everything down that you've built. However, there's a way that you can make this easier. To make better decisions, you need to understand how other business owners think and make the right decisions. Like Jensen Huang, who took NVIDIA from a gaming chip company to one of the most valuable companies in the world. And if you want to understand principles that he followed to do it, I explain it all in this video right here. So go check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.